It is widely recognized that the Montgomery bus boycott was driven by the activism of black women, many of whom were arrested for refusing to surrender their seats. While Rosa Parks is the most famous example, she was one among many. Similarly, the first freedom rides, as in the 1947 Journey of Reconciliation, were principally organized by Bayard Rustin and George Hauser, but were sparked by the courageous defiance of a black woman who refused to give up her seat, setting the stage for broader challenges to segregation in interstate travel. In 1944, Irene Morgan boarded a Greyhound bus to Baltimore from Virginia. Morgan sat in the colored section at the back of the bus, but after an hour into the ride, the bus drivers told Morgan and another black woman next to her, with baby in tow, to move for a white couple. Morgan refused, and the bus driver sought to have her arrested at the next stop. Irene Morgan was approached by an officer who presented her with an arrest warrant, which she defiantly destroyed. When the officer attempted to remove her from the vehicle by force, she physically resisted by kicking him in the groin. Additional officers arrived and escorted her off the bus. She was taken into custody and charged with resisting arrest, as well as defying state segregation laws governing public transportation. While she accepted the charge of resisting arrest and paid a small fine, Morgan refused to admit guilt for breaching segregation statutes. Determined to challenge the law, she pursued an appeal with legal representation from William H. Hasty and co-counsel Thurgood Marshall. Although Virginia's highest court upheld her conviction, Morgan escalated the matter to the U.S. Supreme Court. In a landmark 6-1 decision, the court ruled that Virginia's segregation laws could not be enforced on interstate bus travel, deeming them unconstitutional.